This video, we are going to continue with our sessions. Last time I told you we have the Asian session, have the Asian session. We have the London session, and we have the New York session. Okay, the New York session. Now, New York session, London. No, let us start from the London session. The London session equals to in the London session we are going to refer it to the accumulation. It equals to London session equals to accumulation. What do I mean by accumulation? I think I already taught you about accumulation. So accumulation, that's the time where the market is consolidating. It's not making decisive moves. It's in the same place, consolidating with equal highs, equal lows, not breaking through. Okay, now we have the London session. The London session will equal to manipulation. Okay, the London sessions, there is always manipulation. Now in the New York session, is equal to distribution. Now in this, I think you can understand it better. Okay, let me hope you can understand this better when I note it like this. Now we are going to go back to our charts and see what exactly I'm talking about. This is called the power of 3. Okay, it's called the power of 3. The power of 3. I'm going to write it here. Power of 3. The power of 3. Power of 3. What do I mean by power of 3? I mean it's the power of these 3 sessions. Okay, it's the power of these 3 sessions. You know, from Asian session to London session, there is a time there we miss that we don't trade. We have not talked about that time, and most of the traders believe that that's Frankfurt session. But here I'm not going to teach you this. I'm not going to teach you the Frankfurt session because it has no volatility in the market, and it is like it has no, it's like it doesn't even exist in the market, because you see it always continues like the Asian session. So this period I will not teach it. I will not teach about this time, and let me show it to you. It's this time here, this time there in the middle there. Okay, I'm not going to teach about that time, but just know we have Asian session from 17 hours to 00 hours, and from 02 hours to 08:30 to 08, probably to 08, and then from 08:30 we go to 17. And this New York session, it has not indicated it to you. This is the New York. It's the New York. Okay, now in the New York session, we have 2 sessions in the New York session. We have the New York morning session and the New York evening session. So we are most likely to trade from 08:30 to 4, at around 4. Then we stop there. The rest of the time we leave it and wait for other sessions to start. Okay, now I've told you in the Asian session we have what we call the accumulation, and in the London session we have what we call the manipulation, and in New York session we have what we call the distribution. Let me show you with this arrow. In the New York session, we had this as our high. Sorry. Let me draw for you an arrow using an arrow. We had this as our low. It came here, it made a lower low. Okay, my network is disturbing, as I told you. Sorry, my network is disturbing these days. I don't know why the Wi-Fi is slow. I don't understand. Okay, but it's disturbing me. It's kind of disturbing me. Okay, but I think it will be fine. It will be fine. It's going to stabilize. It's gonna stabilize, and we continue with our lesson. Okay, we are going to continue with our lesson. The network will not disturb, will not stop us from learning. Okay, the network, Uganda network, is like that. Yeah, it's not so good, by the way. So here it made a high there, it came here, it made another high, another low, then a high. Okay, then the low here. I see the low here. Then when the London session started, the market came and made a manipulation here. The market came and broke through the other Asian low, Asian high, and then it turned up. Then in the New York session, it made a very big move and distributed. That's what I mean. Okay, and this is exactly how the market moves, exactly how the market behaves during these sessions. So here in the Asian session we had this. Let me show you. Sorry, let me don't use that one. Let me use this one. In the London session we had here as our high. This was our high. But in the New York session, this high was broke. It was broken. You see? Hope you can see it clearly. Let me add on the visibility of this. Let me add on the visibility of this line such that you can see it. Sorry, it's misbehaving. But I think you can see that yellow line. It was broken. Then we made a manipulation. The market showed like it's going to go bullish, but instead it turned bearish and went to the downside when the New York session came in. Okay, let me look for it in another way here. Let me look for our 17 hours. Let me look for our 17 hours. Okay, let me delete this. Let me first delete this, remove this too, and we look for the 17 hours. Where is the 17 hours? The 17 hours here. It's here, the 17 hours. So in the 17 hours we had this. We had that, and now even let me just draw a rectangle shape from 17 hours we had this up to 0 hours. Are you seeing this? Up to 0 hours. Okay, we had that up to 0 hours. It's a ranging market. The market was just there consolidating, but still in the Asian session, when we reached the London session, which starts from 8, from 08, you see, from 08 the market made big moves. It made a bigger move and went to the upper side. Let me delete this and draw it better. From 08 the market made a move up to 8. You can see from 08, from 00 to 8 the market made a big move and broken. You see, I think you can see this clearly. It broken the Asian session and it made a manipulation. What do I mean by manipulation? It made this thing, it made something like this. It was lying to us that the market is now going bullish. Okay, it's manipulating that it's going bullish, yet it's going to distribute to the bearish positions. Are you seeing this? Okay, so here your role will be to come and you spot here. You know, here you can come and say, here there is an order block here. Look for these order blocks and just mark it like this. There is an order block here. Are you guys seeing? Okay, so there is another order block here. There is even another order block here, but you can take this first one, this first order block on the move, and wait for the market to come and retest onto this order block, and then you enter for a sell. Simple. Are you seeing? This is what we call the power of 3. This is what we call the power of 3. You can wait from there on that order block and know that when the market reaches there, it's going to be stopped and go to the downside. Then now you see, from trade, if you traded from here, now you wait for your for this market to reach there, and you traded and came and moved out from this market just there. Those are 39 pips. Are you seeing? That's a 39 pip move. Are you getting me? Okay, so trading is very simple. Don't complicate things. Okay, those are 39 pips. Now when it made that swing, it again came, the market again came here, and when the New York session started, I told you it starts from 0830 here, 0830, and then it goes. For us, we'll trade up to 4. We won't exceed 4. Okay, won't exceed 4, but it will go up to 17. The Asian session is up to 17. Okay, now you can see here it made very, very big moves. It distributed here, and then again distributed again. The second time it made even another move to the upside. Those are 2 trades. Okay, those are 2 trades in a day. So aren't you going to be profitable from that move? Let me continue these lessons and the next video. Let's just watch. Don't forget to subscribe Francis Crypto Academy. Call your friends to learn, because for you, when you trade alone, you will feel like you're alone in the market, but when you get your friends to know this opportunity. It's a better move. Okay, don't trade alone. Get your friends, show them the opportunity. I'm teaching here freely of charge. People don't give you this knowledge. Okay, it's the knowledge that people don't give you. Just get your friends to trade, to come and learn from here and trade. Okay, you trade together. Tell them to get this free knowledge. This is a tool. I'm giving you a tool. Okay, this is a skill. You're going to make money from this just because you have learned it. Okay, let's continue in the next video. I'm going to teach you about the session liquidity.